the Mythbusters. Katie Heineman and Adam Savage. There's a myth, there's this.
Welcome to Mythbusters. I'm Jamie Heineman, and today we're gonna put myself in a microwave. First, we take our microwave, and then we're gonna put stuff in it. We're gonna put the stuff in the microwave, and we'll let it explode. You see, stuff, microwave, explode. Now, let's go. Here we are in a controlled test environment. Here's our microwave, and here's our laptop plate. It's gonna be sure we're not gonna take that thing in our eyes. First, we're gonna put some aluminium in it. Now here we have our microwave with the aluminium inside. We're gonna put it on with a stick so that we don't get hurt, and hopefully it explodes. Nope. Now we're gonna put the microwave on. I hope so that that thing's alive. Oh, not doing anything. Ah, no! Oh,
Oh wow, lovely! Check the flames on that thing! Now let's see what has happened.
So it's true, if you put the stuff in the microwave, it's gonna explode. Not exploding, but the microwave smells really funny.
You can see that the microwave powers have completely split the board.
So as you have seen, the plate was in the microwave. We also put a plate in there, and then put the aluminium on it, and completely round. It's all together.
Bust